Hello folks, here's a water drip test from Inkdependence of the R&K Roarer and Cleaner Morinda ink. Picked this up out of an ink drop not too long ago, and since I've been grading recently, it's getting to be midterms time, it was time to break out some red ink. This is a really interesting ink. It's kind of, it's a little bit ketchup-y, actually. You can kind of see it there. I don't know if this camera is really picking up the ketchup-y goodness, but it does look, to me anyway, a bit like dried ketchup. So, if you're into a red ink that's got a bit of character to it, this might be the ticket for you. So let's see what it does when you put some ink on it, or some water rather. Here we go. Well, you can see some of the red coming off immediately. I had no particular illusions about this ink being water resistant, but it looks like it doesn't stand up too well. Let's blot it away and see what we have left. Yeah, not much. So, water resistant, no way. But pretty unique red, actually. I really like this ink. It's a little bit wet out of my Lamy Necks. It has a fine nib, so if you have something bigger, more wide bore, you might have a few flow issues. It might be a little bit too wet for you. You might feather and spread some. And I don't see that very much with the fine nib, though. So check this one out, R&K's Morinda.